preschools allow a child a lot of freedom to explore different activities. They encourage a sense of excitement with discovery and offer a child-centered experience. Those that push academic skills and are largely teacher-directed only dampen motivation for learning. These schools aren't very successful since ready for formal training in reading and writing at this stage. Good quality preschool enhances development, self-confidence, and self-regulation. Focus your preschool selection on a school that has these attributes and where you and your child are comfortable. Distance of the preschool. Try and look out for preschools which are not more than 30 minutes travel from your house, as it will be very tough for a 3-year-old to travel more than that on daily basis. And it will be convenient for you to rush to the school in case of any emergency. Transportation. See the transportation facility and how safe is it? Is there any responsible school person with children who can take care of them? Curriculum. Look for the curriculum that the school follows. Some may have their home-built curriculum and some may follow a philosophy such as Reggio Emilia, Montessori, Waldorf, play-based, etc. Infrastructure. Check if the classrooms and play area are well lit, spacious and ventilated. Hygiene. How clean are the bathrooms? Are there any dustbins that are easily reachable by children? Are toilets kid-friendly? Food. How clean is the kitchen and food preparation? What kind of food is served to the children? Is it nutritious or junk? Play material. Are the toys developmentally age-appropriate? Are the toys cleaned regularly? Policies. What are the policies of the school related to childcare, safety and parent involvement? Staff. How educated are the teachers? Are they trained and experienced? Security of the school. Has there been a police verification of the nannies or housekeeping maids done? Are there any trained guards who are monitoring the main gate? Interaction. See how teachers and nannies interact with the children. Observe if kids really like being in that place. Teacher-child ratio. How many kids are there in a classroom with the number of teachers? Timing of the preschool. Some preschools have morning as well as midday batches. If your child is a late riser, you may want to select the midday batch for him/her. Parents' tips. Whatever preschool you choose, it is important to visit the school personally and observe things so that you know that your child will be comfortable and safe in that environment. Thank you for watching Mudhal Paatham. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and guidance to help you make the best decision for your child's early education. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Stay tuned for our next episode.